Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can import a custom font on Capcut PC version. So, if you download a custom font from dafont.com, for example, let's try download one. We are going to download this Sonic Turbo. Click download and wait the file to be downloaded. This one and done. So you can locate where the font is downloaded on your Windows Explorer. You can decompress or extract the file because this is a zip file. Extract the Sonic Turbo. Double click Sonic Turbo phone or any phone that you recently download and click install. So if done, you can open CapCut, open your projects, and you can insert the text. You can tap on text here. So here you can click this plus button to add text and click the bar, and you can search the font in here. So you can search a recently font Sonic, for example. Let's try search the Sonic. Loading resource and try to search the sorry, the Sonic that we already download. If your tag is there is an not yet, you cannot find the text, you can close the CapCut first, restart your CapCut, and let's reopen. So let's try again, search the phone in here. You can click the system and try to search the Sonic, enter, and this one Sonic Turbo is added into CapCut. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the button below. See you in the next video.